Good morning, guys. Today I shall be talking to you about the supply chain management in the retail. We all go to the market. In the market, there are various kind of retail chains existing. Whether you go to Reliance, you go to Big Bazaar, you go to any other modern stores like Walmart. And every store out there sells the more or less the same number of goods or same SKUs. So you want to buy a close-up. Why would you buy it from Walmart or for that matter from Reliance? There are certain defining functions which ensures that the retail chain, for what price it gives it to you, the customer, it ensures that you invariably go to that particular retail chain. So let's see, what is this particular function which ensures the cost or the price point of a particular retail chain makes it more attractive to the customers. And one of the functions which I have realized over a period of time is nothing but the supply chain management. Today we shall discuss what is supply chain management. We will go by the agenda. It's the introduction to the logistics and the supply chain management, overview of the DC processes, that is the distribution center processes, what is warehouse management concept, and the transportation, basically distribution of the products. Let's go for the introduction to the logistics and the supply chain management. What is logistics and what is supply chain management? As the processes have evolved over a period of time, around 40 years back, we had something called the transportation. But as the infrastructure across the world has improved and increased its entire layout, the transportation included warehousing. And now the transportation warehouse was being called logistics. But as the logistics progressed, as the globalization of the entire market started taking place, and that is the time it has not been known as supply chain management. So guys, in this particular lesson, what we have learned is what is supply chain management and how important it is for a function of a retail chain. Thank you. In case you have any questions, do let me know.